SECC is committed to empowering students with the ability to continue to create videos directly from home during the COVID-19 pandemic. To do that, we've created a few suggested equipment kits. Today, we're going to look at our second package, the host setup. It includes a light stand with 2 LED lights, a wired lav microphone, and if needed, an Apple Lightning adapter. A PDF with links to these items will be in the video description, or check out our website at secctv.org. I'm joined by Nick from SECC, who's going to show us how to use the second package. So Nick, what do we have here today?
Thanks, Nebaiot. Here is our second package, the host setup package. So let me run through everything that we have, and you guys can take a look on how it's set up. This is everything. We have our 2 light panels. We have our light stand for the light. We have our power cord, power source, smartphone stand. You can also mount a camcorder to this stand. We have a remote to control the lights, wired lavalier microphone, and a lightning to headphone jack adapter if you need it. Let me run through how we set this actually up onto the tripod so you guys can see how it's done properly and safely. Basically, what you're gonna do is first you're gonna take your actual light stand here and you're gonna set this up. You're gonna unscrew one of these, just so that way it loosens these legs right here at the middle, and go ahead and bring them down. And then I'm gonna put this on the floor right next to me. Make sure you tighten this screw again so these legs don't go anywhere. Put this on the floor next to me, and then I'm gonna take this part and I'm actually gonna put this onto the light stand. You'll see right inside of the hole right here, you wanna unscrew the tightening screw so that way you can have the hole be completely exposed. And then you're gonna put it right on top of that light stand, just like so. And then you're gonna wanna tighten the back, the screw right in the back. Make sure that it's tight. And there you go. Now everything's tight. It's on there. And we can go ahead and flip out our LED light panels. And these are flexible arms, so you can flip these all which ways, anywhere you want it to go. Okay, so the last piece to put on is your actual smartphone holder right here. And this smartphone holder is actually pretty nice because you can take off the smartphone part just by unscrewing it right at the top. And you can use this arm to hold any 1/4 inch threaded camera right on the top there. So I'm gonna put this smartphone holder back on just in case we wanna use a smartphone. So once you screw this back on, pretty simple. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna take the 1/4 inch threaded screw at the bottom here, and we're gonna screw it right into the top of the light here. And then once you put that in there, it's solid, and this is also a flexible arm, so you can bend this down and put your smartphone wherever you want it, if you want it in front or in the back. And I'll show you guys how we go ahead and put the smartphone in here. It's just a small clamp right here at the end. So I can take your phone and just clamp it in like so. Pretty simple. Okay, the last piece we're gonna show you is the power source right here. You can see there's actually 2 cables here in this pile. One of them is the power supply that goes to the actual light, and then this is actually the AC cord that plugs into the wall. You're gonna make sure that you connect these 2. Then you're gonna go ahead and plug this into the wall. And then you're gonna take this end, you're gonna plug it right into the side here of the light. Okay, so once you have the unit plugged in, you can go ahead and turn it on by pushing the small button right here in the middle. There it is, it's that easy. So you can dim this down all the way to 1% or 0. You can dim it all the way up to 100. You can see the little numbers there on the screen will say what brightness you're at. So I'm gonna dim it down so you guys can actually see what I'm doing here. So if you wanna change the color temperature on these can do anywhere from daylight all the way down to soft white 2700. All you do is you push the button again, you'll see the numbers come up with 3300, and you can change the color just by turning the dial once it's on the numbers. So it goes all the way down to 3000 Kelvin and then all the way up to 6500. And then push it again to change back to brightness. And then dim it back down. And then to turn it off completely, all you do is you click and hold the button. And then it turns off. On the light unit itself, there's actually a USB port right here on the side too. So if you do need to charge your phone while you guys are filming, you can plug in your phone right here. Keep in mind though that if you are charging your phone while using the normal lightning to headphone adapter. You won't be able to charge your phone if you're using a microphone into this adapter. So just be aware of that. Make sure you have a full battery before you start filming. And so all this gear actually comes in a big Photodiox case right here. That's the brand that this is all under. So make sure that we guys are transporting this around. You can keep it in the case. It's gonna stay nice and safe. That's it for the host setup. Nebaiot, back to you.
Thank you, Nick. This kit will do wonders for our students. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact your teachers or check out our website at secctv.org. I'm Nebaiot, and thank you for watching.